look at that. We're driving. Look how dark that is. Let me adjust the camera a little bit here. Let's see.
If you want to talk.
There you go. That's good. Wow, look at those clouds. That's amazing.
You're supposed to start it because you thought. Are we supposed to go this way?
Yeah. This is the way. We're going to turn that way in a minute anyway.
Oh, you did it.
We're coming up to the intersection here. The storm clouds off to the left. That's the direction we were looking at before, up to the north. It's pretty dramatic. So when we turn the corner here, you can see just how dramatic they are. Cross traffic does not stop.
Oh my lord, look at that.
Wow, look at those clouds.
Ooh. Wow.
Since there's no cars coming behind me yet, I'm gonna
Look at this.
look that way a little bit. Look at that.
Oh my god.
That's some dramatic storm clouds up here. Let's see how long it takes before we hit the rain. Right now we're driving north towards Crescent City. There's a lot of water in the ditches around, so it must have got a lot of rain. I know it rained and thundered last night. Like it's raining up ahead still.
Yeah.
The intersection at Crescent City is about 2 miles up ahead, I think. We might hit the rain before we get there.
Look at the dark there. Wow.
Yeah, we're underneath that big, thick cloud. It's pretty cool. I think I can see the line of rain up here. About a mile down the road, I think it starts raining. I think when we hit the rain, it's just going to be like hitting a wall of water. See that down there, that next row of trees, it's all
the rain is there.
All the rain is on the side of those trees. There it is.
There you go.
There's the sprinkles. Just like that. You need a heavy wipers.
We don't have umbrella. How can we get out of the car? This time. Wow.
Crescent City. Crescent City, the best little four-way stop sign in the world, right here.
How many population in here?
I don't know the population, but ooh, look at
they
that.
have fire.
Fire truck. I wonder what the fire truck's about.
How come? Oh, because of this trap.
I don't know.
Oh.
Kind of weird. Don't know what that was about. Turn that up a little bit. There you go. You can see the street scene a little bit better. Downtown Crescent City.
This is the downtown.
This is it. Are you blinking? Because you're going to miss it.
Wow.
Now on our way to Watsika. Miles to Watsika. Well, there you go, folks. That's the excitement of the weather here in central Iroquois County.